Hi! My cousin sent me these pictures and I thought I would share them with you. Take a look. These are hundreds of electric-powered vehicles that were used in Paris, France as rental cars. Part of a clever car-sharing scheme. Now they are in a boneyard near Paris. They are there because their batteries had given out and needed to be replaced. The cost of replacement is greater than the cost of buying a new vehicle. So cars with batteries that cannot be recharged go to the boneyard. No landfills will take the vehicles because the decaying batteries drain toxins into the ground. Here we have an example of a clever idea to supply rental cars to Parisians so they can use them for short trips around town with very economical rental charges. Here is one of the vehicles on a Parisian street. Just use your car sharing card to gain access, unplug it and drive away. Simple and convenient. But they did not think the plan through. They forgot that lithium batteries grow old and after a time cannot be recharged. They forgot that decayed lithium batteries can be toxic to landfills. They ignored the costs associated with obtaining and installing replacement lithium batteries in these electric vehicles. So now we have a Green New Deal type project that looked good on paper but created a non-environmentally favorable outcome. What do you do with depleted lithium batteries that are toxic to the environment? Where do you put them? This reminds me of Biden's Green New Deal actions. Biden has given no thought to the costs and outcomes associated with his actions. Biden is hypnotized by the bright, shiny object of the Green New Deal. It ignores any fallout or damage associated with the Green New Deal. Joe and his crew have not thought things through. Joe is shooting from the hip. This is a guaranteed way to fail. Think about that. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.